Okay, we got a 1940 Ford Tudor, T-U-D-O-R, with an Olds Rocket 88 engine in it. That's usually what they did to upgrade the old Fords from the Flathead V8s. The Oldsmobile was the fast engine. And AC, aftermarket AC too. Well, that was a popular upgrade back then for, yeah, old early 50s Oldsmobile Rocket 88. That's a Cadillac air filter on there. And split window, 1940. Mirrors up on the top. He's got an aftermarket. He's got a brand new interior in here. Cute, nice seats. Automatic. It's got aftermarket gauges, but designed for this 1940 Ford. Running boards are still on it. Looks like a, I don't know what's inside, you know, as far as the rear and the trans and frame, but it looks like a stock car on the outside. It might have different underpinnings, I'm not sure. You know, when you see that much work on the interior. But it's very, 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 very nicely done. And I'm sure reliable as all hell. I always love those louvers on the hood. You know, another reason is, I remember I still got somewhat of a vapor lock problem on my El Camino. Not nowhere near as bad as it was, but those louvers help you a lot with the vapor lock problems because it lets the heat out from the engine when you are stopped. You know, after you let it sit for about 30 minutes after you shut it off. And of course, like I was saying on those other videos, that the vapor lock is a problem that really came about recently because of the ethanol fuel, which has the modern fuel, which has a lower boiling point. And so it becomes a problem with the older cars with the fuel pumps that are mounted to the block itself, unless you run a return fuel line and all that garbage, or electric fuel pump. Like he's got fuel pump down here that is mounted to the block directly. I don't know if he's got a vapor lock problem or not. Probably doesn't with those louvers though. I know I still got one somewhat. And these were like, you know, back in 1940, this was a radical redesign with streamlining. You know, the pointy hood and the rounded fenders and all that garbage. Doesn't seem it today, but you know, when you look at the progression from the 20s to the 40s, major difference in body design.